Welcome to the SOS Services web tool. In this module, we will provide you with an overview for the SOS Fleet page. Prior to registering your fluid samples, you may need to add or edit equipment information. The Fleet page provides you with the tools needed to display, find, and manage your SOS equipment list. To choose the columns of information you wish to view on this page, click on the Settings or Gear icon found to the right of the column headers to open a drop-down list. Column options include the asset ID number, the asset serial number, and other equipment information. Headers identify the information displayed in the columns, but they are also used to help you sort and filter the table's data. You may sort the data in ascending or descending order, rearrange the order of the columns by dragging them to the location you prefer, and you can adjust the width of the columns as well. Some column headers provide drop-down lists used to select information options. Others use direct entry fields in which you can enter specific search elements to quickly locate a particular unit. To clear the header filters, click on the Settings gear icon and then click on the Clear All Filters. Be sure to perform this step prior to doing a search. When you log out, the system saves this latest configuration so that the table will appear the same in future sessions. Paging controls appear at the bottom of the page to facilitate navigation through longer lists of data. To add a new asset, click on the Add button and complete the form provided. Add the asset ID number, the asset serial number, the manufacturer and model. The manufacturer and model will automatically populate based on the serial number prefix if the asset is a Caterpillar machine. The dealer name, the dealer customer name, the job site and region are optional, the meter type in distance or time, the meter units in hours or kilometers, the language, and any other equipment notes. When you have satisfactorily completed at least the required fields, click on the Save Asset button to save the new asset to the database. After saving the new asset, the Components table appears at the bottom section of the view. You can use this table to add, edit, or delete components assigned to the asset. To add a new component, click on the Add button and then enter the information as needed. Enter the description of the component and any further component details. You may, for example, include information regarding the recommended fluid sample and change intervals. To edit information for a component, click on the check mark to the left of the component and then click the Modify button. Modify the information as needed and then save your changes. To modify an existing asset, select the asset you want to modify and then click the Modify button. Make your changes as needed and then click Save Asset. To delete an asset, select the asset and then click on the Delete button. Please note, assets which have samples assigned to them cannot be deleted. The Components tab provides you with the tools to view data for all the components of your fleet. You can also use this tab to submit new samples and to compare sample results data for 2 or more components. Clicking on an item in the component column automatically takes you to the asset details view for the selected component. Finally, to register a sample, refer to the Submit Page tutorial for details on how to submit a fluid sample. If you have further questions on how to manage your SOS fleet list, please contact us at CAT Fluid Analysis Lab Group at toromont.com.